Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing rice peanut punch. Here are some of my ingredients: some rice, some peanut, a Betty condensed milk, a jagan, suppagent, vanilla, mixed spice, some nutmeg extract, so artificial almond flavor. Now I'm gonna get straight to the process and show you how I done my rice peanut punch. And now I'm gonna add some rice in the blender. I'm gonna use the jagan to blend the rice. My peanut to blend out with it also. And now I'm gonna add some ripe banana. Now I'm gonna blend. And here it's finished blend. It's a bit thick. Now I'm gonna pour out some and continue the process. Now I'm gonna throw out some. Now I'm gonna add my suppagent. Now I'm gonna add my Betty condensed milk. Some vanilla. Some mixed spice. Some nutmeg extract. Some artificial almond flavor. Now I'm gonna blend it all together. Now I'm gonna mix it all together now. And now I'm gonna add grate some nutmeg into it. And look on my rice peanut punch, guys. Look on it. Nice and rich. And it. My rice peanut punch all done now. Here are some ice. Now I'm gonna taste it and tell you what it tastes like. Guys, I wish you all could just taste this.